Okay, there will be rolling and action. What in all is real? We can sleep here. Sam, there's no bed. I do not know. There's no bed. Well, what can you do to not fall asleep? Standing up on your horse. Okay. Well, okay. You can stand up on a horse, Sam. Okay. Okay. It's time to the horse. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, so I kind of...
Nick! Nick!
It's not working. We're not horses.
You're not horses, Sam. Yeah, I am not horses. Okay, now what can you do? But well, well, let us say something to Shane.
I've got an idea. Can you press the horizontal button on your remote?
Whoa!
Whoa, that's not horizontal, is it?
No, that's the upside down way.
Nobody sleeps upside down.
That's the upside down. Okay, Sam, how is not bad? I need help. Let me show you how you bet, Sam. Okay. Whoa! You are not a bat, aren't you, Sam? No, I am not a bat. Okay, Sam, let Shane say something again.
Can you press the horizontal button, please?
Sure thing, Shane. I'll put the side button.
Yeah, make it sideways.
Oh, whoa! On it the sideways.
That's better.
Yeah, you sleep. Can you put the small sleep? Okay, I can see. Yes, it's a black. I wanna fall asleep. You've fallen asleep. What? Wait, do you hear something? What? Where? I hear that snoring. It is a snoring. I can let the snoring. That's snoring the snoring whistle. Snow and whistle. Will you say something, Sandbox? Okay. Could you please stop fucking about it? Are you remote?
On your remote?
What? Thank you. No problem. Thanks for the vertical button. No problem. I see the snorers right over here. Excuse me.
Yes, so what is it?
Well, we can't sleep with so boy.
You can't sleep in here.
Why?
Because this is the snoring room.
Hey, sorry, room. Can you show me do snoring and whistle?
Look, come on, look.
Good work. Can you show me do snore and horses?
Why does he keep...
Way to go. Can you show me do snore, whistle, and squeak like a bat?
Now this is getting ridiculous.
Okay, that's good. Let Riddle leave the snoring. Okay, we're all done. Nice work, Sexbox. Thank you. No problem.